Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and check out what I got here. This is from Viaim. I'm not really certain how to pronounce that, but it's RecDot AI recording true wireless earbuds. We're going to be opening this up, trying it out right after this. Okay, so yeah, this is a Viaim. I think that's how that's pronounced, and I'm not going to do that really stupid montage where I just mispronounce it, because honestly I've seen those before on several YouTube channels and they're never funny. Anyway, this is the RecDot, as I've said before. Now, according to the website, which I got right here, it says the earbuds that do the listening for you. Hey, I want to listen. No, it's not doing all the listening work, so you're not hearing anything. But essentially, these are AI-powered earbuds that transcribe, translate, and take notes, all while keeping... Seriously, it ends there. I mean, I'll show it to you, because seriously, it just kind of ends there. I should probably inform them that their website might be a little bit incomplete. So, all while keeping... Nice? Yeah, I'm not really certain what they've got there. Okay, so let's open her up, shall we? Looks like this just kind of slides out of here. So, all right, then we got this pops right up. Here we go. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so we've got the case and we have the earbuds themselves. Nothing too complicated there. Let's just go next level with this. And by next level, I mean remove this level off here. If we... Oh, there we go. Okay, that took a while, but I got there. Okay, so I'm seeing some instructions here. I'm guessing that there might be... Oh, hello. Looks like that we've got a charging cord and some ear tabs, just by what it says here. Do these things come with them already? Let's see. Yeah, they kind of do, so that works out, I guess. Yeah. And I thought, oh yeah, instructions here. If this thing does what I think it does, chances are, yeah, this is a quick start guide, and I'm guessing there's probably an app that's involved in here. And I'm seeing right away, yeah, that looks like some sort of QR code for an app. This is exactly what I expected to see here. Specifically, if you want sort of a translation of anything. All right, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do a demonstration of that, that's for sure. But we'll work that out. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that, and I'm hoping that these are charged. If not, we're about to find out, shall we? Okay. This thing doesn't really open very easily. Is there some switch that I'm missing here? Okay, I actually had a really bad take of me trying to open this, but you know what? It actually slides open like that. So, yeah, that's how it works. Crazy. All right, so I'm going to put these guys in here, and... Oh, hello. Okay, now. Okay, I'm guessing it's charging up. There's like a green light there. So, should I wait, or should I just do this right away? Or should I just give it some time? Charge it a little bit, you never know. There's no indicator here on this thing, so I'm not sure. I think the best thing I can do is pair it with my phone. Okay, it was a pretty easy time pairing with these things, so I'm always glad when that happens. Now I just got to find something to listen to them with. All right, they fit in the ear pretty easily, and they're pretty secure in there, so points for that. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so far the sound is pretty good. I'm listening to just some music here. Oh, okay, just turned up the volume, and that sound is good. So hey, but hey, any pair of wireless earbuds can do that, and I reviewed a lot of them. I think the better test is, can it do the whole AI thing? So we're gonna need to work that out. Actually, it's kind of funny. The song I'm listening to is called Work It Out, by a group called Brassy. It was on Kim Possible once. I don't know. Sometimes I just need music to listen to see if the earbuds work. Anyway, so let's cut to some footage of me trying out the AI portion of this, because I think that's where the real proof is in the pudding on this.
Hey everybody, I'm in the editing room because I need something to film with and I had to use my phone at the same time. This is something I want to show you. Once I downloaded the app off these things, you can't really see that very well. Okay, there you go. But essentially, this kind of led me to a screen here where I could do recordings. And not only that, I found that, you see, I reviewed this product last week, or at least I did the initial unboxing, and then I just kind of paired them with my the phone I had at the time. And then I used the app on a different phone, and I found the soundbite of me using them there, which I thought was pretty amazing. I just thought, like, oh my gosh, you actually still had that? I didn't even know I was recording it. Well, apparently this thing records a lot if you just hit this button here. And yeah, that's a pretty great feature, isn't it? There's also another way you can do it from the screen here. You could just hit this button here, and not only will you get some, I'm not really sure if I can really show a good demonstration of this because of what I'm doing here. But like if I say I wanted to do like a live recording, I could actually put this out here, and then it would actually have the text here of what I'm actually saying. And you can kind of see that right there. I really wish I could give a better demonstration of this. Perhaps if I had better video equipment I could do this, but hey, I'm working with what I have. You can see the boxes over there. So, but this is something. And not only that, I used a translation program that really came in handy and stuff like that. Let's see. So yeah, do I have that? Okay. Here it is. These are just some basic things that I said in French, and then it gave me back in English. Now I had to sort of program it. Kind of reminded me of the Vasco translator that I used before. So this thing has that, and it's not, this isn't that much money. I'm actually kind of very impressed with this product here. So I'm going to give it some high marks here, and yeah, I'll give you as much information as I can in the article about this. But for now, I better give you the price. What is the price? Ooh, shoot, I thought I had that open. Okay, the price is about $249, but right now I'm seeing it marked down to about $199. I say this a lot whenever I do reviews. I always quote one price, and I always give the highest price first, so when you get there, you think you're getting a deal. Anyway, it looks like you can see that this is silver, but it looks like they come in black as well. So if you like that, you should like this. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.